Hey guys, I'm Rishabh. Welcome to SobeRish. Many people have been asking me why I make only cocktails. So here I am trying to make some crazy good mocktails for you. ये डालते हैं उधर नीचे. First up is the Shirley Temple. For that, first take a glass and fill it with ice. Come behind that with some grenadine. Now squeeze one lemon in this. Come on top of that with some ginger ale. And now just stir this mixture. And garnish this with some cherries. So there you have it guys, the Shirley Temple. So next up is the virgin cucumber Gimlet. For this one you'll need to muddle some cucumbers. So first up, take a shaker and add about 5-6 cucumber slices in this. And top it up with some sugar syrup and some lemon syrup. And now you'll have to muddle these. So once you're done muddling, add some ice to this. And give this a good shake. So once you're done shaking, get your glass and pour lots of ice. After the ice, put some small slices of cucumber on the sides. Now pour your mixture on top. Now give this a good stir. And place a small cucumber wedge on the side. So there you have it guys, the virgin cucumber Gimlet. No mocktail video is ever complete without a mojito. So let's start making one. So first up, take a shaker and add some mint leaves to this. After this, add some lemon slices. On top of this, add some mojito mix. Now let's muddle this mixture so everything can have a good mix. Now after the muddling, add some ice to this. After the ice, add some cranberry juice to the mix because this will give an additional kick. Now let's shake the mixture. After you're done shaking, take a tall glass and add lots of ice in this. Now, let's pour this mixture on top. Now, let's garnish this drink by adding some lemon in this and some mint leaves on top. So there you have it guys, the Cranberry Mojito. If you enjoyed this non-alcoholic video, don't forget to hit like, share and subscribe, and definitely follow us on Instagram.